Hi, my name is Russell Wilcox. I'm the founder and CEO of Urban Energy, also the founder of Urban Racking. Been working in the solar industry for about a decade now, and the industry has been focused on incentives and government sort of money going into solar and in different technology. Solar's finally at a scale where it's pretty much the cheapest form of electricity generation in the entire world right now. It's not the case for urban buildings and rooftops and very expensive New York City construction. So we're sort of tackling that problem head on. We have a lot of real estate, empty rooftops in New York City and urban areas all throughout the country and the world that there is space. It's just there's no technology really to make these systems viable. There's also some of the strictest fire department regulations in the entire world, frankly, which limit the amount of solar panels that you can put on urban rooftops. Hence, all of that sort of coming together has led to this canopy design. This is our first pilot canopy on a pre-war multifamily building in New York City. All of this sort of culminated in Urban Energy expanding to a much larger scale product. We're not a standard solar company that just comes up here and lays solar panels on the roof. We're building real structural construction quality steel on the roof that is highly engineered and highly designed to work and be flexible with these pre-war buildings. It's a retrofit product, but it's a product that has a lot of scalability and a lot of customization with sort of components and unique spans, unique sort of structural elements of the building. And with us being here, having Urban Energy to build these systems for the Urban Racking product, you have someone who understands sort of the nuances of these buildings, but can build it in a very efficient way. If you look at what we're trying to do with Urban Racking, we've built 3 of these canopies now, 2 at identical buildings on Howard Avenue, and we've also built one up in Harlem, 474 West 150th Street. We've been trying to just prove it as a concept that works and will work with these types of buildings structurally. There's a lot of sort of technological improvements we can make, but we proved that we could do it with these buildings, and that was a huge milestone for Urban Energy, and which led to the spin-off of Urban Racking. And right now we're sort of going through a seed financing round to come up with that 3rd generation canopy product to bring the costs down, make it more installable, make it work with more and more of these buildings in urban environments, and really meet the sort of clean energy goals that the city and the nation has to fully decarbonize.